Are you ready for the ultimate fitness revolution? Get an honest, in-depth look at the groundbreaking Google Fitbit Air tracker, integrating powerful Gemini AI to transform your health insights in 2025. This isn't just another fitness band. It's a screenless, lightweight marvel with a built-in AI coach that leverages Google Health's new Gemini layer, promising unparalleled personalized guidance. Discover how this tracker analyzes your daily data, offering startlingly precise summaries of sleep, restfulness, and overall trends, helping you reach your goals faster. The biggest surprise? This Gemini-fueled Fitbit Air isn't just for your wrist. It's poised to become the essential muscle for Google's highly anticipated smart glasses, setting a new benchmark for wearable tech. Imagine getting real-time fitness summaries and AI coaching directly through your eyewear, an experience far beyond anything seen today. While competitors like Meta's Oakley Vanguards dabble with fitness data, Google's deep integration with Gemini gives the Fitbit Air an undeniable edge, offering a seamless, intelligent health companion. Don't miss out on this incredible leap in wearable technology. You can find links to explore the Google Fitbit Air tracker and learn more in the description below. This innovative ecosystem signals a future where your health data is not only analyzed but also intuitively integrated into your daily life through cutting-edge AI and smart glasses, making it a must-have for fitness enthusiasts.